Today, we're in the Ann Arbor, Michigan, virtual courtroom of Judge Cedric Simpson for a plea hearing.
Court calls the case of the people versus Susanna Williams.
I'm supposed to be
39-year-old Susanna Williams, who has a history of criminal charges, including possession of illegal substances, is pleading guilty to third-degree retail fraud. 3 months earlier, she was caught eating donuts in a supermarket without paying. She was arrested and originally charged with second-degree retail fraud. Williams failed to appear at her arraignment, resulting in an arrest warrant. When she finally appeared in court, the judge set her bond at $1,000 but was unable to pay it. So she has since spent 93 days in custody.
Your Honor, we're trying to resolve this case. I believe her jail credit is 93 days on this offense. So she would be seeking a credit for time served sentence with release. I believe the donuts that she stole and ate would be the basis for the restitution if the court were to order.
So there is restitution.
Yes, Your Honor.
Donuts. Okay, I didn't mean to say it like that.
What's the restitution, sir?
Right? You got to pay for the donuts you ate.
Oh, okay.
If the judge orders that.
She's represented by attorney Ron Brown, who has a long history of hearing before Judge Simpson.
So, do we know the amount of restitution?
I'm just double checking, Your Honor.
They weren't Dunkin' Donuts.
I believe that I do.
They were packaged donuts.
Okay, thank you.
Dunkin' are fancy. You know you can get the ones with the sprinkles
You want to know what?
and the nuts
You know?
and the powdered sugar.
No, you know what?
They weren't those.
No, Mr. Brown.
They were just,
Too much.
they were
They
in a
told me
package.
when they told me you were going to be here,
Right.
I almost stayed home.
For me,
Judge Simpson.
I like donuts. I should have brought you some. They go good with your coffee.
Meanwhile, the prosecution returns with the restitution fee.
$4.68.
Those are some pretty good donuts.
They weren't that good. Were they stale?
Yeah, I think so.
They were a little stale.
468.
Yes, Your Honor.
You've been in since the time of the arraignment, is that correct?
For 93 days. Yes, Your Honor.
Court will accept the defendant's plea. Sentence of the court, fines and costs of $250. And pay that 30 days after your release. I'll order 93 days on this case. 93 days Washington County Jail, credit 93 served. I will also order restitution in the amount of $4.68 payable through the court to Walmart.
Including additional court costs of $50, Susanna still owes the court a total of $304.68. But she's free to go, and the case is closed.